In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use filters in Todoist, a great tool for organizing your tasks efficiently. Whether you're already familiar with Todoist or you're just beginning to explore its features, filters can drastically improve how you manage your responsibilities, turning the chaos of task lists into manageable, categorized views. After you've logged into your Todoist account, your first step is to direct your attention to the section labeled Filters and Labels. This is where our focus will be today, as we're going to dive into its incredible capabilities. You'll notice an add icon located next to Filters. Go ahead and click on it. This moment marks the start of something transformative. By crafting filters, you can configure custom views of your tasks tailored precisely to your requirements. It's crucial to offer your filter a descriptive name that truly captures its function. Think about what you aim to achieve. Perhaps it's a filter for high-priority work assignments, or maybe sorting out personal errands slated for the upcoming week. Once you've got that clear name in mind, it's time to input your search query. Todoist's filtering capabilities shine here, empowering you to zero in on tasks that meet specific criteria. You can utilize keywords such as project, followed by your project name, label, due date, or priority level. For instance, to focus on the pressing tasks at hand, your query might be something like project, work, due, today, and priority, high. The flexibility in crafting these queries allows you to tailor your task view precisely to your current needs, accommodating everything from daily agendas to long-term project tracking. After entering the desired search criteria, you'll need to hit the Save button. This action completes the creation of your filter, ensuring it's ready for your use whenever needed. Taking a proactive stance could involve establishing filters for various scenarios like tasks due today or within the week, helping you keep deadlines in sight. To spark some inspiration, let me share a few example filters. You might craft a filter for urgent tasks that are due today by using project, work, due, today, and priority, high as your query. Another filter could be designed to track personal errands for next week with project, personal, due, next week. An additional example involves monitoring tasks assigned specifically to you within a design context. Simply use assigned to me, label, design. And there you have it. By understanding and implementing filters in Todoist, you're setting the stage for a more organized and efficient workflow. The ease of accessing exactly what you need, precisely when you need it, is paramount in staying on top of your responsibilities. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing.